Yeah, the dreaded rain in your Hummer. We're gonna see if we can't fix this. It's definitely raining, guys, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. And there's the culprit right there. That little plug just is not sealing anymore. Oops, that little plug is not sealing. So let's get that cleaned up and prepared for some black RTV. Alright, got my bead of black silicone on there. Push that dude down. Yeah, it ain't coming up. Alright, I'm going to reinstall my light. Well guys, that's the nitty gritty on leaking water in your H2 Hummer. Coming out the handle there, it is the clearance lights or your marker lights. It also could be your sunroof drain tubes. I know mine is not clogged, I've already checked them. So if you're having leaks in your Hummer, check your lights, check the gasket. It has a gasket on the bottom. My gasket was fine, as you guys can see. That plug where the wire goes through the roof, that plug no longer sealed, so therefore it was letting water in. Just a little bead of some black RTV. It's not leaking anymore. No worries, no wet carpet. Guys, I hope this helped you out in your repair on your Hummer. There's always something going on in the man cave, so stay tuned, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks. No water dripping from that handle anymore. No water dripping from up here. And no water from that handle either.